What's the word, YouTube? It's your boy, your baby Six. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do washing style real quick. It's been a couple of days I haven't rocked with the waves. And by the way, 24 my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. We're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep grinding, feel me? That's how we get down this side. I'm gonna do washing style. By the way, I got news for you guys. I'm changing back to the 540 because at the end of the year, I'm cutting everything off and I'm starting a new pattern 720s. I got a lot of subscribers asking me, G, if I'm willing to take the challenge. Hell yeah, I take the challenge, man. I like competition. This is nothing. I'm gonna do all the patterns. I started with a beehive when I was a rookie. Now I went to the swirl and I'm changing back to the 540. To be honest, I like more 540 because I like the slanted side, feel me? So this is a washing style for my beginners and for new subscribers and my old subscribers. Appreciate the love. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna continue growing. Let's flip the script. This is the product I'm using today. I'm using the stacking cap because I want to show you guys my results after work with this. It compressed it really nice and snug. I'm using my crown patches. Of course, a mirror, a hard and a soft. Of course, oils. That's the last wash. Detangle brush. This is the way I do my washes. Condition and shampoo. And to begin the pattern, you need water. This is not Febreze, by the way. This is water. So let's begin. A little bit of lather faster. Okay. If you don't have a lot of shampoo in your house, you could use a bar soap. It don't matter. You just need to lather later on. You know what I'm saying? If you low budget, just do whatever you have. Bar soap you could do. I started with a bar soap. You see, once again, I apply the condition and the oil at the last wash. That's when I style it. So as you can see, my hands already lathered. So, cause I don't got any products in my hands. So, to be honest, I think I'm gonna start just like this, cause I don't got any products in my hands. So, that's cool with me. As you can see, the first wash I already got. But once again, I didn't put any products on it, so. And I'm going to my 540 again, slanter, as you can see. Okay, top of your ear, behind your ear, then below your crown, all the way to behind your ear, to the left side. And for your ear, in front of you, right here behind your ear, forward. That's a 540. Then I slanted a little bit right here, second angle. So you can see. Slant. Repeat the same. On top of that, apply some shampoo to it. Put in it so you can get more lather. This is a hard brush, by the way. See, when you don't have a lot of products in your hair, you see how lather it get? I didn't put any products yesterday, so I wanted to show you guys my washing style. Just gotta make sure your hair is clean. Wash the day before, you could do it the same day. It don't matter. Alright, now what you do is you apply the conditioner. Conditioner to it so your hair can stay moist. That's when you apply the oil, so you can give it a shine and repair your hair. The oil that I have to repair your hair. So that's how I do my washing style. That's why my hair is really silky, and that's why I get asking me how my hands are so silky. That's the main reason why. That's my technique. Okay, now what you do is apply the oil. So you apply your oil. Different around your hair, around your crown, your edges. Now you use a soft. Distribute your oil and to lay down your waves. So you could say you're doing 2 sections. Alright, then give it an extra layer with your hands. Apply a little bit of shampoo to it, just to keep that little motion going. A little bit of water in your hands, lather up. Patches, crown patches to keep that crown laying down. I always double compress my patch, just to keep it extra tight. Since I'm woofing, you know. And already know.